Poison ivy, poison oak, and poison sumac are nasty plants. They all contain a compound called urushiol, and just enough urushiol to fit on the head of a pin can give a bad case of poison ivy to 500 people. That's how toxic the stuff is. There are a few home remedies you can use to help to relieve poison ivy. One simple home remedy is to take baking soda and make a paste out of it. Add a little bit of water to it. If you get a patch of poison ivy on your skin, apply the baking soda. It helps to draw the toxins of the poison ivy out of the skin and helps to relieve itching. Another remedy for poison ivy is witch hazel. This is something that you'll find in every pharmacy. Witch hazel is a clear liquid made from the bark of the witch hazel tree. It's cooling, it's healing to skin, it's astringent so it tightens skin. You splash it on, it'll relieve some of that aggravating itching that you get from poison ivy, oak, and sumac. Also, there's tea tree oil. Tea tree oil comes from a bush from Australia. You apply it to poison ivy or oak, and again, it helps to relieve the itching. It helps to take down the swelling and just get rid of some of the discomfort. My favorite remedy for poison ivy by far, if you're near an ocean, get into the water, take a little bit of sand, rub it on the poison ivy affected areas so that they break. Hang out in the water. The seawater will heal poison ivy faster than anything else, even within a day or two. It's summertime. These plants are out. If you can track these, use some of these natural remedies and get help.